Hello, good morning. I have just uploaded the vlog for today for Vlogmas and had a meeting, and now I'm gonna have some breakfast. I still have some egg bites left, and I have a bagel here, so I'm gonna enjoy that. And then I've got kind of a chunk of meetings, and then this afternoon is pretty open. So I hope to go up to the post office and go to the grocery store for some things for the weekend. It is still real cold, really bright and sunny, which is nice, but cold, cold, cold. So we're all bundled up, got my blanket on my lap, and hopefully this warm food will help warm me up from the inside too. Okay, let's do advent calendar. Today is the 13th, Friday the 13th. Got some little people. Let's see. Super Goop glow screen. Okay, I'll give this a try. I have oily skin, so I don't know how glowy this is, but we'll give it a whirl. Can't hurt to have another SPF. Hello. I'm in bed. I have had lots of meetings and then a killer headache. So my husband is out running to the grocery store for me and doing the errands that I wanted to. I'm going to try to take a little bit of a snooze and hopefully that'll help my headache. Just won't stop. So, hope your Friday is going better than mine. I'm going to rest up and see if I can't kick this thing. We had nice dinner. We grilled some steak and had some fresh tomatoes, which was nice. Now we are bundled up. We're going to go into town for a little bit, see what's going on, get social, and yeah, we'll go from there. I don't know how long we're going to be there or not. If it's dead, we'll come back home, but worth going out on a Friday night, feeling better. I realized I didn't eat today, so that was part of the headache. I also got a little bit of a nap in, which was nice. Let's do our advent calendar for the day. Today is the 14th, the tiniest little lettering. But look at this. Okay, we've got, ooh, ooh, I love this. This is the Verb Ghost Oil. I use this in my hair every single time I shower. I love this, and I love that this is like a mini travel size. I'm going to get so much use out of this. It's just open on the top. Okay. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. Yay! Hello, friends. Happy Saturday. Apologies for the really lame vlogging yesterday. Yeah, I just wasn't feeling well after work. I did get better after I ate and had a nap and took a little Tylenol. We went out to town and we actually ran into some people we haven't seen for a while, so that was nice. And basically when I got home at, I don't know, 10:15, I went straight to bed. So there wasn't really much else to show, unfortunately. This morning, I did an everything shower, and this is the first time I've styled my hair since my cut, so just trying to figure out what works. I blow dried it and then I added some curls in. I'm just curious to see how it's gonna hold curl. Now that it's a little bit lighter, it's not as long and heavy. So just kind of playing with that. I don't really know how I want to style it yet. I'm also not the best at my hair, so I can blow dry it and then past that I'm like, I don't know. But yeah, we are gonna go out into town. I'm gonna wear this brown sweater. I've got jeans on, and then I get asked this, like, how do you stay warm in such a cold place? Which is a fair question, and that is layers. So under my jeans, I have tights. I love wearing tights under jeans because they're thin, but they really trap in. And then I've got like a shirt underneath my sweater. So I'm all layered up and ready to go. So I'm just gonna pack my bag. I wear this pretty red bag today, and we'll be on our way. My husband's already in town. So I'm gonna go meet him and we'll have lunch of some sort. Go from there. I'm gonna wear this creme vanilla perfume. I got this off of Amazon. I love it. Hi friends, we're home from being in town. I'm gonna take a little nap here. I love an afternoon nap on the weekends, so I'm gonna lean into it and I'll see you when I'm up again. Hello! I had a really nice nap and the lights are on. It's cozy in the living room. I love it. I'm going to be making dinner. We're gonna have taco bowls, one of our go-tos. We've got the meat like thawed and everything, so we're just gonna do that for dinner tonight. And then I'm also gonna make sausage balls, really just for the week, like for snacks. I have a recipe that I found that is a keto sausage ball. We're trying to be a little bit lower carb with what we cook at home. So I'm gonna try that out. I have no idea if it's gonna work, but we're gonna give it a whirl. So enjoy some cooking clips here soon. Hi guys, happy Sunday. I don't think I've said hello yet today. It's Sunday evening. My husband is grilling some sausages for dinner. We did some major cleaning this morning, which was nice. Went to town, had lunch. I played the meat raffle, didn't win, dang it. And yeah, now we're back home. So my little project for tonight is we have these new like padlocks and they all share the same key. So I'm gonna paint them all with nail polish so we can tell which locks use which key so that we don't mix up all the stuff. So I'm gonna do that. I've done that before, it works out pretty well. And yeah, I hope to do maybe like a face mask tonight. I don't know, just leaning into the Sunday, just kind of chill vibes. Let's do the advent calendar while I'm looking at it, otherwise I will totally forget. Okay, so today is the 15th. Got this one with some piano keys, and let's see. Lavender Stardust lip gloss. Wow, and this has sparkles and glitter in it. That's pretty fancy, but I don't think I'm going to use this. I actually have a friend who's got kind of like a young daughter who might be into this, so I'm going to put this aside, and the next time I see them, I'll give it to her to give to her daughter, because this is just not my vibe. It's cute, but I'm not actually going to wear that, you know? Okay, we're gonna let that dry, and then I'll come back and put maybe 2 layers of clear coat on top, but I just want this to dry down first.